So we got a new article that I want to bring to you guys. This was released on the 13th, April 13th, 2022. This is from USA Today. Food prices are going up. Here are items predicted to cost a whole lot more at grocery stores. After the United States saw record gas prices last month, consumers can also expect to pay more at the grocery store and dining out as food costs are expected to rise, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. That's their prediction. The USDA's food price outlook for 2022, the agency's consumer price index for which food is measured and the inflation is applied to the value of the food, is up 7.9% from February of 2021. This is the largest increase since 1981. In total, food prices at grocery stores and supermarkets are expected to increase 3 to 4% this year alone, after already seeing a 6.8% jump from last year. Restaurant purchases are also 8.6% higher than in February of last year and expected to jump another 5.5 to 6.5%. The USDA noted the increases in interest rates by the Federal Reserve and conflicts overseas are key factors in the pressure on food prices. The situations will be closely monitored to assess the net impacts of these concurrent events on food prices as they unfold. As the cost of a trip to the grocery store rises, shoppers can expect every food category to cost more, with prices for 11 disaggregated food categories jumping at least 1% since last month. They list some food prices expected to drastically jump later this year based on inflation and how fast it rose at 8.5%. The USDA predicts that we need to get ready to spend more at the grocery stores as food prices are expected to soar. Poultry and eggs, from rotisserie chicken to raw breasts and thighs, poultry items are expected to see the highest jump in prices, with an estimated increase from 6 to 7%. Wholesale poultry products are also predicted to see a 9 to 12% increase this year. The USDA says the biggest factor in the jump is the outbreak of the bird flu, which has been detected in 23 states and resulted in tens of thousands of avian species being euthanized. The bird flu is also a factor in the cost of eggs, with a predicted price increase of 2.5 to 3.5%. Egg prices are up for Easter and Passover because of bird flu and inflation. Fats and oils, like poultry, fats and oil products are also expected to see a 6 to 7% jump in prices. Fruits and vegetables, shoppers can expect to see different prices on fruits and vegetables depending on how they like, which ones they shop for. Fresh fruit products are expected to rise 5 to 6%, while fresh vegetables are estimated to have a 1 to 2% jump in prices. The smallest prediction of any food is vegetables at 1 to 2% increase. So, however, processed fruits and vegetables are expected to jump 4.5 to 5.5%. In total, the aggregated cost of fruits and vegetables is predicted to increase by 3.5 to 4.5%. Sugar and sweets, cereal and bakery, those with a sweet tooth are warned, and others who live or love to love their toast, especially avocado toast. You can't have avocado toast without the toast. Are expected to see similar jumps, with each category estimated to see 3 to 4% jump in cost.